This video will give you a brief overview of the possible actions you can perform in this portal, such as opening support cases, downloading marketing material, accessing courses, making payments, etc. You can access the portal from the AuraPortal website using the login button at the top right of the page and inputting your username and password. The first screen contains notifications related to AuraPortal and 3 shortcuts to common features that we will see later in this tutorial. My Profile. The My Profile section contains user data which can be updated at any time. Also, every user belongs to an account corresponding to the company listed as partner. To see the account details, you simply click on the My Account sub-tab. The Documents section is of special interest as it gives you access to documents related to the account, such as invoices. The Training subsection offers a list of available courses and webinars and provides details and progress reports of your active courses. The Notifications sub-tab allows you to activate or deactivate email notifications related to the services offered by this portal. The Tasks section is used to interact with open support cases and initiated processes if necessary. You can also directly initiate processes from the Start Process button, although these will usually be initiated from the corresponding sections of the portal, such as Support, Contact, or others. From the Support section, you can contact the technical service to resolve any issue related to AuraPortal software. This can be done by opening a new support case or via chat. You also have access to your support case log. When starting a new support case, a form will open for you to input data such as type of installation, AP version, and so on. This will give our team more information to resolve your issue. From this point, bi-directional communication will keep you in contact with the assigned support manager. The chat option is a more direct way of communicating with the support department, but it should be started after a case has been opened, as you will be required to enter the reference code. The Resources section provides quick access to AuraPortal documentation, courses, webinars, and generic marketing resources. The AuraPortal knowledge base requires special mention. It is a repository where you can find all the technical documentation on AuraPortal software, as well as the latest improvements implemented and downloadable software add-ons such as extension packs, AuraPortal utilities, Adapters server, base document editor, etc. The Documents button provides access to private documents, such as AuraPortal branding elements, tariffs, and other specific documents in your account. In the Contact section, you can directly contact all AuraPortal departments except for Support, which has its own section. Here you can also open a support case, as seen previously. At the end, there is a button for requesting new AuraPortal licenses. This button opens a form to specify the type of license, activation key, destination installation, etc. Finally, the Payments tab provides direct access to the following payments gateways: wire transfer, credit or debit card, transfer via PayPal. Thank you for your attention.